My name's Kevin McGuigan. I'm a Professor of Medical Physics from the Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland. I've been here with a team visiting a variety of schools and villages in northern Tigray with the intention of introducing solar disinfection to them as a way of treating their water. For the last 20 years, I have been working with solar disinfection. The doctors say wherever possible you should boil your water. Boiling is wonderful. Filtration is wonderful. But if you boil it, you have to collect the wood. It's a big investment in labour to boil water for everyone in the family. So for the past 20 years, I have been working with other African communities, introducing a different way of treating water called solar disinfection. It's a very simple technique. All you need is a plastic bottle. And the bottle can be any size. This is 2 litres. That one there I think is 1 litre. It works up to bottles of 3, 5 or 20 litres. Whatever bottle you can get, as long as you can see through it. And you take the label off the bottle. You fill the bottle with the water. Now it works with clear water. It also works with cloudy water. So whatever water you have available, and put it in the sunlight for at least 6 hours, either on the ground or up on a roof, but it has to be in full sunshine. Once the treatment is finished, the water is safe to drink. To be completely disinfected, you need 6 hours of full sunlight. If there is not enough sunlight, if it is cloudy or partially cloudy, just put it out for 2 days and it will be fine. It may not look cleaner, it still looks cloudy, but what we are doing is we're killing all of the bacteria, the viruses, and the protozoa. This is Giardia, Cryptosporidium, cholera, polio, hepatitis, diarrhea. We know that they are completely inactivated by solar disinfectant. The solar energy damages the surface of the bacteria. It's a bit like my phalange skin. If I leave my skin in the sunlight, I will burn. 1 day of good sunshine, 6 hours, but if it's cloudy, put it out for 2 days. By putting the bottle out in the sun, even if it only gets a small period of time, you're still making the water better. And the only recommendation we make is that you drink the water within 2 days. I'm involved with this technique because there are so many people who don't have wells, who don't have access to that kind of safe water. What we're suggesting here is an alternative if you cannot afford something better. Its main advantage is it costs almost nothing. If you have the bottle, you can do it. We often introduce solar disinfection in the schools, and then the children can show the rest of their family at home how to do it. This technique is very useful for children of your age because it's very simple. There are only 4 steps. Water in the bottle, bottle in the sun. 6 hours later, the water is safe. We have brought some bottles here for you today, but we hope that if you use these and you find that solar disinfection is helpful, you might decide to get other bottles and have more bottles in the house and use more and more solar disinfection. So do you think that is a technique that you would be able to do? Do you think it is complicated, or do you think it is simple?